Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn about two very important HTML tags, div and span. Here's a basic HTML document. Let's go through it step by step. Now comes the main part, the body section. Here, we've wrapped our content inside a div tag with a class called container. The div element is a block-level container. It's used to group together related HTML elements so they can be styled or positioned together. Then we have a paragraph tag. This is inside a div. /p, it's just a simple paragraph showing that all this content is part of the div. Now look at this second paragraph. It says, this is inside a div, but notice the words inside are red. How did we do that? We use the span tag. The span tag is an inline element. It's used to apply styles or behavior to part of the text without breaking the flow. In this case, we applied an inline style. Style equals color, red, to color just those words red. So here's the key takeaway. Use div to group elements into sections or blocks. Use span to style or target small portions of inline text. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.